How is it going today, everybody? Chaceeskampr here with EOS Sandiego1. Hope you all are having a good day today. I just wanted to hop on here and make a quick little video, let you guys know what's going on, and update you guys with some news, and go from there. So, anyways, looks like we've had a little bit of activity in the market. It's been pretty flat here for a while. Not a whole lot of activity for the last few months. It hasn't been winter. It's been, as a season, it's kind of, been winter in crypto as well. So it's, been a little bit slow, but it looks like things have picked up a little bit. I don't know if JP Morgan Chase coming out with their new blockchain system has kind of sparked some little bit of activity. It may have. But it looks like EOS had a nice little run up and a little bit of a pullback, but looks like a little bit of activity. So I don't know if this is the start of something, who knows, and but we'll see what happens from here. One thing that is good though is looking at this Blocktivity. I don't know if anyone's uses this site, but it's a good site, keeps track of the most used blockchains being used transaction wise. So looks like EOS is well ahead of everyone else, about 18 million transactions per day. And we're still at low capacity. I mean, only 14% capacity. So if we take a look down here, Ethereum is, way under a 30th of what EOS is doing right now. I mean, probably less than 5% is at 500,000 transactions. So it is nowhere near where EOS is, and yet it's at 42% capacity. And I've seen other times where it's maxed out, and it's actually, they're running at max capacity. So EOS, plenty of runway here, so plenty of room to grow. So it looks like activity, things picking up in the ecosystem. Today I was going to ask people. I know that we're a newer blockchain candidate, and which I think is good. We didn't run until last December, and we actually never expected to run. Our team was focused on building the challenge application, which is now in the Apple Store. So if you guys haven't downloaded it yet, go down and give it a download. And exciting stuff going on there. We're working on the code, doing a lot of updates, and it's gonna really features to it, and it's going to be something that you guys will like here. So we should have those updates here soon. But like I said, we were so busy building this application that we didn't really think about block producing, and it wasn't just something on our radar. We had talked to a lot of block producers, over the last year or so, but just not something that we're interested in until the last few months, when we we started to learn more about the network and the needs of running the network, and we kind of realized that we do have our team has a unique perspective on EOS with EOS, just because we have built an application that's in an app store, and we do have an idea of what the network needs, or we have a vision of what the network needs to be successful. And I think we'd make a good block producer just because we have a lot of skin in the game. I mean, we definitely have an interest in the network being run properly and being run securely, just because we have an application that runs on this blockchain. So with our experience working on the chain, I think that gives us a unique vantage point to be a good block producer. And we got a lot more work to do. We are, let me see here, we're at ranking wise, I think we're at we're at about 117. So we're close to about 1 million and 1.5 million votes. So hopefully we keep climbing up and get a little bit closer to maybe the top 80, top 70, and see how far we can get. So one thing was cool was, we've done over the last year, my father's made a video pretty much every night, and we've done a lot of community outreach through building the challenge application, through doing, my father doing nightly videos and me doing videos not every night, but when I get a chance. We've learned a lot. And one thing was cool is we saw this matrix here. It looks like we're getting a little bit of love from EOS rankings. They have us as the 33rd spot, so they're giving us some points for education. So we've done, like I said, a nightly video for almost a year, and then looks like they have our website up there too. So cool group. I'll if you guys are looking for a good voting tool and a kind of a good guide of who you should vote for, I think this is a pretty good tool. It looks like they have EOS Aloha first. They have a lot of cool stuff. EOS Authority, they're cool guys. So definitely a cool tool. Nice to get a little bit of love on there. And if you guys haven't yet, join our Telegram channel. We'd like to get some more members on there, so I'll leave the link down below. But anyways, join it. And one thing we're going to do is we have been doing a lot of community outreach, doing a lot of education, but we're going to start building some tools too. So what we're doing is we're asking around and seeing what kind of tools people want to see be built. Some suggestions that I've gotten so far is, I know there's a lot of explorers where you can see what the biggest EOS accounts are, but there really isn't a way to see what the biggest, say, hours or NDNA or karma, seeing what the biggest account holders for those particular tokens are. So maybe building an explorer that shows people that would be cool. That was one suggestion that I got that I liked. And another one was, just seeing what the biggest transactions any given day are in a particular token. So those are really cool little tools. But we want to, listen to our constituents. So our voters are our constituents, and we want to get feedback from you guys and see, tool that you'd like to see. We may be able to build it. We just want to make sure that it's something that people want, and there's a need for it. And if people want it and there's a need for it, we'll build it, because we want to release tools that help expand the network and grow it. So that's what's going on there. Challenge, kind of like the rest of the market, just kind of going sideways, but a little bit of pickup in activity. Also, if you'd like me to be your proxy, I did register my account as a proxy. It's chaceeskampr, PR, and you can make me your proxy. Now, if you're active in the community and you're doing a lot of research about the votes or the VPs that you want to vote for and whatnot, please consider EOS Sandiego1. I'll leave our website down below. We're planning on doing a lot of cool stuff and have done a lot of cool stuff, so we'd like your support. But you can vote for 30 people. So, hopefully you consider us and vote for, as one of your 30. But if you're somebody who really doesn't have the time to research the block producers, and you're looking for a trusted person to kind of vote for you and pick a good solid 30 people that are going to run the network in a good way, then please consider making me your proxy, and I will try to do my, I have confidence that I'd be able to pick some solid block producers and really pick out a solid 30 group of people who are going to do a great job running this network and getting this chain to be something special. So like I said, I'll leave my proxy account below, but please consider making me your proxy, chaceeskampr. And like I said, any cool tools that you guys want to see get built, message below, hop on Telegram, let us know. And I think that's about it for tonight, guys. So maybe I'll circle back with you guys later this week, put out another video, and let you guys know what's going on. And any questions, like always, reach out to me on Telegram, message below. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Thanks.